Hei Suomen kielen opiskelijat! Welcome to Learn Finnish with Mitch. Tällä videolla me opiskelemme weekdays and months, viikonpäivät ja kuukaudet. Viikko alkaa Suomessa maanantaina. Aloitetaan. The days of the week, viikonpäivät. Monday, maanantai. Tuesday, tiistai. Wednesday, keskiviikko. Thursday, torstai. Friday, perjantai. Saturday, lauantai. Sunday, sunnuntai. Note that in Finland, their weekdays are not capitalized in Finnish. When you want to say you do something on weekday, you have to use the active case na. This form is used for things that happen once. On Monday, maanantaina. On Tuesday, tiistaina. On Wednesday, keskiviikkona. On Thursday, torstaina. On Friday, perjantaina. On Saturday, lauantaina. On Sunday, sunnuntaina. When you're dealing with recurring events on certain weekdays, you can express that in two ways: by attaching the sen ending to the weekday or using the determiner yuka. After yuka, you will always use the basic form of the weekday. Like for example, yuka maanantai, yuka tiistai, yuka keskiviikko, yuka torstai, yuka perjantai, yuka lauantai, and yuka sunnuntai. If you want to express a time span by saying on what weekday something began and on what day it ended, you can use the elative sta and the elative mihin for this purpose. This way, you can express, for example, that you're working from Monday until Friday, ulin toisa maanantaista perjantaihin. The same thing with the rest of the months. If we want to express that something happened last week or next week, for this, we will use the words viime, last, tänä, this, and ensi, next, in combination with the active case na. These are the following examples: last Monday, viime maanantaina. This Monday, tänä maanantaina. Next Monday, ensi maanantaina, and so on. Next is the addition of being able to express the time span of something taking place. The word lähtien and alkain can be used to express the starting day, and asti can be used to express the last day of the period. And mennessä can be used to express by what weekday something has to be finished. Olen lomalla maanantaista alkaen. Keskiviikosta alkaen olen tyytyn. Tiistaista lähten toimeen osa-aikaisena. Perjantaista lähten asun yksin. If you want to read more examples, just pause the video and continue. And here are some random sentences. Koulu alkaa maanantaina. Viime torstaina myöhästyin bussista. Käyn joka perjantai kuntosalilla. Ensi tiistaina on syntymäpäiväni. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and the continuation of this video will be uploaded soon. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and share it to your friends. If you learned something from this, please put a thumbs up on my videos. Thank you and see you in my next video.